Ajagurajah. Jimmy too much, of course. Muni chasini. Obviously, Twene Jonas was happy to win the chance. You can't try some cinema. I'm check. I see a boy Jimmy.
Now here say akwa on seniora ana student there. Where they are teacher ni 8 me per into for respect ema teacher. But young do better just there be honest sam mra ya bu ato hon. One mra na nya adwene. Sa be na ya bu ato hon. One be no enya adwene. Twene Jonas, a student, young dog, were returning back to the internet after short break. No buy no. What in Tokwachi 3D Abesia Twene Jonas. Ene Ajagurajah, ana face wabebo fireman, enu gumbi, actually, omu a bloggers, a potency a deportino. No besa show me USA passport. A high Penyah broke me, the best as any demo. Over like a video, no doubt, over subscriber to no click the latest updates. Na bachelor wadwe e dey mama e wo comment section obaswa no ahye video na mawumia so enya bi ahye enti ni baba akwana Ghana fo nyina dodo na hwe na chiri kwa young don somewhere October be November ni ma ye to about Donald Trump ne ye pe ana young don ama online biem etu am hola na bi kire so ye deport no e bi si wa ye say enti just videos upon videos e ba se deport young don aba Ghana e bi so ye deport e go Togo. If it's a deporting echo South Africa, just say young don videos there. Baby Nana and Severin Nama for Kai, if you come back, your boy young don too, I'm a no. And I can say young don sooner on Ajagurajah, I will beef. Or I can you try Ajagurajah, maybe a tremu. Emma is a that beef, and be a generational beef. It's not same a poppy upset young don deporting or every guy a bone to Amuno. And Ajagurajah, a big guy and oh, I crack it to a young don a catetiam and my mafia, the matrin BB. Just like Ajagurajah ebeje home fans. Now young don return back to the internet now. And we be TSC Ajagurajah in fact, we be Ajagurajah minimum pampe.
Kasi wa mro chire nyina no. Amuna munu dada bia ni nyame so bibia so abaso abetie no kra. Obaso anu ahye no kra ni tantam. Obaso anu ahye no kra ni tantam nye joke. Obi ahye no kra no. Nyame so bibia so abaso abetie no kra. Let me get into this way. Me stay off social media, of course. Make key money moves, you know. Because me to come to South Africa, I could take care of my business and one to another, you know. Now yeah, hello, be busy, and I circulate to social media and say, young down, you're not been with them more, you're the young down been with them more. And then they circulate to media and say, yo. That better be nibe judge me now, huh? Just say, hey, my town food also we ask you, huh? Antika, come a chini, huh? Obviously, they said you're more from Jimmy Minko, baby. I'm gonna have in the paradise. I mean, so we are so about Sabitin. Obviously, we miss you, of course, miss my funeral. Of course. Let me take this as a surprise. One my Jimmy now must say, oh, yeah, we are seeing a hand and with them on there, but be no bit. Maybe American citizen, you know. Me American book. Listen, me American book. Passport. Listen, the United States, or more German social media, no, or more American passport, or more for metre. Obviously, it is fake. Mamin Chow, Emunio. Mamin trying to make it for me, but some of whom information is, you know. Mamin trying to flip camera, yeah, right here. Let me see. See is fake, Mate. That's what Jimmy T. You can't correct your own. This is my face. Oh, this is my face. Me, but some of whom passport, you know. Me, but some of whom passport, you know. The passport number, no whatever. This is the reality. Because yeah, the United States passport, huh? What Jimmy no me American citizen. And you know, Obian obeti me ma ban wura mu na na sachina. What in Yansen America no timunya Jimmy wo wura mu. Mate se na wenkwasiafo bi gina wura mu ho kekasa oh. And I know then no tune for the number na ho de na ba tune for me na me mani o obi asuro me. Obian obeti ma deport to me o. Trump or American passport, Miss American passport. What put them? Trump and I depend me on. Obian over to me, I'm the champion in United States of America. But see, I'm more, I'm banner on London and I'm more money charge in here. Yasi Ajagurajah krom. Of course, my mom take video. My mom take video bi. Yasi Ajagurajah dey we join anum so. You know I'm a bagana. Listen, what I listen. Tie. Listen. This is the video. Listen. Kromfo pao, kromfo. Kromfo. Me stay off social media said Mama Ghana. Me na America, the United States. Ajagurajah kromfo say o Mama Ghana. Listen. Ajagurajah. Jimmy too much, of course.
Young don't either to say. Ajagurajah small we can find on there. In fact, either say IGP dampare ebe kwa kwache Ajagurajah and now say obebo pa ami akwohia Ajagurajah soro dai.
Ghana kwa na munye joke country. Kwasiafo we Ajagurajah munyina ne na mura mu IGP aboa ba we ne nam ho. Then oya Ajagurajah no. Ha? Say concert party kwa na mudi tiwura mu. Oma Jimmy Esen ne no. Munsua nyansa. Obia ni obetimi de machiaka form no. Obia ni odasani bia ni asasi so a ni tipani wi ase nyina hene yondo joke. Obia ni ho mabubu adamon. IGP fa Jimmy ko fa Ajagurajah ni tantam. Wan fa me ma net me ma nansa. So wan ko fa Ajagurajah na me ma yasena so da no nya fe na me bebo pa me yasena so da Jimmy no kwasia. E ba ben kwasia asema kire wi ase nyina hene no. Oya kromfo so ode mema bagana me na America wasi yo ka so ode meba Ghana mabagana me nimga me in America me in the United States the paradise on earth so we am kala ma Jimmy Esen ne na mugun wura mo ne kanyansa kire ma Jimmy nti ma boda wuro free tetentene ne achem so obi an ye kromfo wura mo akom ni nti Jimmy nti kronu ne too much IGP Memo nansa ko so Ajagurajah omunyina kromfo asofo no akromfo nko obi afa ni Jimmy nko memo nansa so anko so anu a mebo pam ya twaja ato aso dan mu Jimmy no mebo pam ya twaja ato Ajagurajah na so dan nim me twaja di tuma anfa kwasia me gina me Jimmy because me ka jo se ko fa no am anko yo straight up me ka chon say ko fa no am anko fa no enti IGP me bo akoko ya word na dey akofa Ajagurajah ya kromfo pa ani ase oba fun tantan Jimmy fo kurase ni baabi enso ti America mo fe no santi anti CEO say abrewa CEO say hwan si ono nso ene kwasia ne ho fun oba ho nyanyan utwanya nyan Jimmy fo ma ho nyanyan say afia wati Jimmy adan ana omu otumfo omu ade enti ade na konwura mu kwasia mu be kwa Ghana na me da so nam kroma wo me American citizen and I show me passport akira mo no. Let me show it once again. Kwasia American passport ye fake room woni chasini straight up woni chasini omo he me scan go for him ha woni chasini straight American passport e odi anu abeje straight up muni chasini mu ba kwa Ghana da so nam kroma mu munye green card holders wasiafo ade ane da wata minti ane da se adma banwura mu wuni chasini mu nyina ma am chema akomako mua na min so bibia so aba so abetie no kra na min so bibia so aba abetie no kra Asia for we kwa dem dia chamo we kwa me dia free mu me dia mama tufo bo Asia for asefo kwa mutim wura mu na Jimmy nko ana ene de bibini de se de ne yonko bibini abagana hu se bibini ani age me no obi anu obetime hwe ma hwe ase yo joke o hwe yo no hwe ase ba hwe ase nam da so ne nam kroma me are powerful no human being is powerful than me on this earth nobody Tenyansina make a chono. Nobody is powerful than me on this earth. Chamachi. Kwane da one way. Bianshia. Kwane da one way. abrochira kura se cars o man temu nyina amuna amuna dada bi na misa broni enso bi a wa bi ani akroje ni ade galamsey sem bi ani ha na misa broni
it eye too either say IGP na be kwa fa Ajagurajah ko shame because Ajagurajah according to young don or your cromfo bu amanfo password na adwen enididi eti IGP enko chinenya saade a obebo pa ami akwahye na so dada owie ye no ana no beti si Twene Jonas so on say ye ka say deport young don abagana no Twene Jonas be ka say obi apese oyese me a me no uni me ya mawurawura ne nema edi machini ade ade ntino if you try to be me a you will fall down other say o try so be say me a like over shiase young don abefire Twene Jonas
obisi Twene Jonas was happy to ni chance mu kan kire nsem sene ma me twa kwase abo jimi ono yes boys ni di video ni send them yes ya ne there was say odi dwana num say oh and I don't know yon or say yon don suano hwan kwase a de wo ye na wo se wo ye no na wo se wo ye na obi suano achiparago ene ba America ebetwa America kire Ghana for achiparago na ka sa America heaven first. I'm telling you the reality. The wo ye na wo so obi suano kwase a mimi suano a kanyama brabo ni kadma ko sunwura mu. I'm just spreading the truth. Abua me a point for John. That's what I gotta tell you, man. That's what I gotta tell you. Me a point for Joe Bia would mu a joke. That means so Bia so about 17 cry. Welcome to the paradise. You are in the great. Obviously, I just grab Omunyina Kromfo na me catch Omunyina Kromfo. Na me say IGP nko fa no. Omunyina Kromfo. Enti Twene Jonas no munfa punishment nsande no munka ntia ne say me person obeso so na mini ni wu social media no so mini no be wu ana some point etia obi abeso nyansa onwura mu ho to hu se bibini ani age ana chese ni nua bibini ho aka adwa mu wa simye sa boa obi a enya selfishness ani bra ni jimi ntira nka wu nua mu nyina mu fight se Ghana be yeye no adwempa ne wo tirima eye wo de se ayo de se wunia no ye de ne ko Ghana selfish nega o ma me twem ate kwase adwanki boy fi wate wa de am Twene Jonas no fi asia de me chi wo me Harry New York wa na be hu me so mu a ha o asia boy jimi nyame se obi aso abaso abetie no kra wo de right now no me go abrochira class young me kwa do the paradise Times Square nam the punishment ya blom now of course me nam ama be kumu anu ha right now dem ni number bi enti Ajagurajah no monsa ne punishment ni ma no say me say IGP am fana me ma IGP 3 days wan ko fana me kwa sena so dan straight obi ani tumu onwura mu obi abeja jimi na za no enipa enya sika amfa nkoto alata samina mfa nware biem ope alata samina de adware akọ shop bia ana ki shop ugubetima nya bia to adware enko Ajagurajah ma ne nkoto nsamina ma 10 million wo ya aboa omunyina akromfo odi abedwa nanum na mabo audio na kire no odi abedwa nanum say yondon odi mabagana ni nyina anya no kura bia na me sa me da so ne nam ha no me powerful che obi anwura mu ho ti wo ya kwasea na wo de wagimi ansa na ntwie ba agimi na tie no kura asia no kura nko na ba betie mimi ntwa ntron kyerɛw I'm telling you the reality. This white Jimmy now untimi tie no kura fa kwasea free akono ho me nsoma ha. And I'm sorry, and I'm very sorry, man. Me are sorry, sir. Because South Africa and American, because South Africa could take care of my business, and you know, now my a little bit busy. And me for punishment, that's the reason why that I me but me so punishment to me find.
I say young don Edin American passport actually you dear that is now or American setting you tell say break now call you know somewhere from October November from November December January February that break now call you know enye bibia ye deport the name of na adwuma bia e South Africa and you know ɔkɔ supervise adwuma no hwɛ deɛ ɛrekɔ any other. And the young dog now no back to the system to set the ball rolling on the internet. Obet match the wide ama me comment section. Aha you Penyah Block Media. Accra.